Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. Now begin. Open the Angel One app, sign in, and go to Profile or Security. Once there, tap Two-Factor Authentication or Totp Setup to start. Make sure your registered mobile number and KYC details match. This prevents verification errors. Open your Authenticator app in parallel so you can scan a QR code immediately. Act now so the temporary codes stay valid. QR codes expire quickly, and waiting breaks the pairing process. Once you reach the top screen, choose Enable or Set up Totp. The app will show a QR code and a manual key. Scan it with your authenticator or copy the key into it. After scanning, the authenticator shows a rotating 6-digit code. Make sure your phone clock is set to automatic network time. Time drift causes mismatch errors. Then return to Angel One and enter the current code to link the authenticator. This verifies the secret and binds Totp to your account. Finish by entering the 6-digit code from your authenticator into Angel One and confirm. Once accepted, the app will show Totp as active. Save any backup codes or the manual key somewhere secure like a password manager so you can recover access. If the code is rejected, first resynchronize your phone's clock and retry. If that fails, revoke the setup and repeat the QR scan flow. Reissuing the secret clears any earlier mismatched pairing and resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.